Here students, I am going to take question number 4 from exercise 14.2. It is again to find the mode of the given data and also find the mean. तो फार्मूला फिर हमारे लिए वही है. तो जब हमें मोड निकालना है, we have the formula. It is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by H. So first of all, model class. Highest frequency is 10. So the model class is 32, 35. Therefore L is 30. F1 is 10. F0 is इसके ऊपर वाली and F2 is 3. So put the values. L is 30 plus F1 is 10 minus F0 divided by minus 9 minus 3 and multiply. Difference is 5. It will be 30. 1 into 5, 20 minus 12, 5 over 8, and 5 over 8 is 0.6. So it will come out to be 30.6. And to calculate the value of mean, we have to find the value of xi. 15 plus 20, it is 35. 35 over 2, it is 17.5. Difference is 5. You keep on adding. Then 27.5. Here it will be 32.5. It will be 37.5. 42.5. 47.5 and 52.5. Find the value of fi xi. मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो it will come out to be 52.5. It will come out to be 180.0. 27.5 multiply 9, it will come out to be 247.5. It will come out to be 325. It will come out to be 112.5. It is 0. And it is 105.0. Then we have to find the value of sigma Fi. 5, 5, 5, 15, 1. It will come out to be 1022.5, and this value comes out to be 35. So we will have mean equals to sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi, and it will come out to be 1022.5 divided by 35, and when we divide it, it is 35. It will come out to be 29.21. This will be the value of mean. And in question number 5, we have find the mode of the given data. Again, the formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply H. So first of all, we have to find the model class. That's the class having highest frequency, and highest frequency is here 18. So model class is 4000 to 5000. So the value of L comes out to be 4000. ये वाली frequency F1 18, F0 इससे पहले वाली, और F2 इसके बाद वाली, and H is the difference between upper and lower limit, which is same in each case, and it is 1000. So we put the values here in the formula. The mod comes out to be L is 4000 plus F1 18 minus F0 4 divided by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 multiply. It is 4000 plus 18 minus 4, it is 14, multiply 1000, 14,000 divided by 36 minus, and it will be 4000 plus 1400 divided by 23. It comes out to be 4000,608.69. So it will be 4608.69.